The loan process can be very confusing. Not only do you have different terminology and acronyms, but there is so many documents to sign. One of those documents that's one of the most important documents is the closing disclosure. The reason I say it's the most important isn't because it has the numbers that you have to pay for a monthly payment and your cash to close. It's because its timing is important. A closing disclosure should be presented to the borrower right after conditional approval. The reason is a borrower cannot sign to close on their home for 3 business days after reviewing and signing the closing disclosure. If a lender waits too long to send the closing disclosure out to the borrower, it may delay your closing. Make sure you ask about that after conditional approval. It's not going to be the exact numbers you need, but it will be close enough to sign, and you will get additional documents after you sign that disclosure. That is the hardest thing to explain about a closing disclosure, is why it's not to the dollar exactly what it is. And the reason is because escrow and the funding team hasn't balanced yet. There's other fees that can fall in throughout the process, either from escrow or title, a follow-up inspection fee. A lot of things can still happen from the time of a closing disclosure to funding. So you really don't get your final numbers until actually a couple days prior to closing.